Now to delete trash on Dropbox. So let me go ahead and show you. Let's delete all of this. So if I select here, I can highlight all of them and I can delete them. So go ahead and delete these. Now what you're going to do, guys, is here on the left panel, you'll see this option that says show sidebar. Click on that. Now come here and click on all files. Okay. Now this is still deleting, so we're just going to wait it out. Now come click on home. And you'll see this option right here that says deleted files. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish deleting these ones. All right, as you can see, it has now deleted 3 items. You can close this. Now, under these options, you'll see here, it says deleted files. Click on this, and now you'll see the files you have deleted. So if I click on any file right here, now I clicked on this here, we have a new pop-up that shows up where it has an option that says delete permanent. So if I click on this, I just enter my password right here and then click on delete permanently. That file will be permanently deleted from my Dropbox. As you can see, it's really that easy and simple, guys.